Okay, I know you haven't seen this, Todd. This is impressive. We
Yeah,
watched this the other
is-
day, and I'm like, how? But they're using a roller screed, so I think this is Lura, the company Lura, which obviously, I mean, this company's roller screed system is super impressive. I really, really like it, but it is, you're going to spend a fortune for it. But look how steep this is, and they're able to do this with a roller screed. And their mud's got to be a 1-inch slump. I mean, it's dry.
Yeah, that's extreme.
Yeah.
That's really cool though.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive, and they pour the whole
Yeah.
thing. I mean, obviously they're having to finish right behind because that's going to be hard as a rock.